Here I have Honor 7S, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to enable Do Not Disturb mode, you can just go to the upper bar here, and here you have the button Do Not Disturb. You can also access some settings of this mode if you hold your finger on this button. And here you have such settings as only priority interruptions allowed. That means that these notifications, which you will allow here, you will get these notifications even if Do Not Disturb mode is on. This could be reminders, events, alarms, messages from anyone, from contacts only, from specific contacts, from nobody. This one goes for calls too. And there's also an option repeat callers if the same person calls a second time within the 15-minute time period. Allowed. You can also block visual disturbance here, and you can also add automatic rules, which is basically just a schedule for Do Not Disturb mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.